converts to PDF, and signs integrated documents. The next system task we're going to see is a system task that allows us to automatically sign documents. So let's imagine we have a process where we have to give presents. Afterwards, we want a document to be generated, maybe with all the different gifts that were requested. And finally, we want someone to sign the document. But we want to do this automatically because maybe there's hundreds of thousands of documents that have to be generated on a daily basis, and we can't have people signing this manually. Okay, so we want the system to automatically sign these documents with either a stamp or with a certified signature in the server. Okay, so depending on each country or depends on the companies, there's lots of different certified signatures. We can, well, some of these signatures can be stored in a server, and we can have out a portal go search that signature in the server, grab it, and use it to sign the documents. And this can be done automatically during the execution of a process. So we could sign these documents manually. We'll see later that there's all kinds of different options to sign a document manually, but we can also do this automatically with a system task. Okay, here in the process that I'm using for demonstrations, I have an uploader system task, converts to PDF, and sign integrated documents. Perfect. So when the flow goes through the system task, it's going to convert the documents to PDF, and besides, it's going to add a signature. This way we can guarantee that its content cannot be modified anymore. And here we can design, or we can indicate what type of signature we want to add to the document. So I can click here and it says, okay, do you want to activate the digital signature? If we mark yes, then here we can choose, do we want a stamp? Do we want a certified signature? We could say we only want a stamp, or we could say I want a stamp and a certified signature, or I only want a certified signature. So if I click here on stamp and I enter, I can edit the stamp. So where do we want the stamp to appear? The first page, the last page, and so on. In which position of the page do we want it to appear? What distance from the corner? And what's going to be the design of this stamp? So here we've got a basic design, a design that's been generated automatically by Autoportal, but obviously this can be modified. Okay, so basically a stamp is just an image that we're adding to document. This would be the typical image that we can find, for example, in our document that our bank sends us. Maybe they send us a document to our house, I don't know, telling us happy birthday, signed by the director of the bank where we have our accounts. Obviously, he hasn't signed all of them. Basically, it's an automatic signature that's been added, or stamp that has been added to those documents and that have been sent to the printer. Here we can also add some more information to this stamp. So we can add the performer, the date in which it was signed, whatever the text. And here we've got some design options. And here if we want to add borders and so on. Anyways, this would be the design of the stamp, the position, and all of that. And down here we have the type of signature. If it's certified, I could use any of these certified signatures that I have previously installed in the server. I've installed some of these, but they're just for demonstration purposes. They're not really certified signatures, but I could use one of these for the demonstration. And besides, I could also add some text to the signature and a timestamp that's compatible with this standard here. I'm not going to enter into the details, but we are going to leave a link in the presentation, or you guys can search. You can make a Google search and learn more about this type of certified signature timestamp. Okay, so once we've done this, when the flow goes through that system task, the documents would be signed.